Hi friends, in the last video we created this wonderful website, and as we decided in every video we are also discussing important WordPress plugins to enhance the functionality of your website. And the last video was having this wonderful and very useful plugin. This is database cleaner, and I am making this video separately to explore the options what is available with this plugin. As we discussed, we can use this plugin for cleaning the database, and in the free versions you have both the options. You can download the free and you can also get the pro version. I am going to add the link in the video description. Whatever you want, you can go for that. Using this plugin you can delete the useless data at your installation, and in the pro version you are having enhanced featured. This is for used by and column for tables, post types and options. You can automatic auto clean as well. So what we can do, we can explore the plugin functionality by installing this, and I got this plugin. I am going to install this plugin. What is the size? This is just 1.9 MB. Let us install this plugin to check how it really works. So I am installing the plugin directly on this website. I'm in this demo website, and we can go to the plugin and click on add new, upload plugins, and I will choose the direct database cleaner pro. So I'm using the pro version, of course. And after installing the plugin, it will hardly take a minute in installing the plugin, but yes, we can use this plugin for enhancing the complete performance of our WordPress website. So plugins are multiple, and we can choose wisely plugins for enhancing our WordPress setups. So where it is, I am also using this plugin very first time, so I can also explore the option along with you. So this is database cleaner and optimizer pro, and the best database cleaner since 2022. Clean your and optimize your DB. Okay, let us go in the setting directly without discussing more. Okay, so this is very useful interface. So what we can see here, this is the database size of 21 MB. 21 MB is the database size. It can be, but I'm not sure why it is. This is fake data. Okay. okay. So I also wondered how the database size can today 0%. So okay. So we have easy and expert mode first of all. So we can choose the easy and expert mode. While using database cleaner easy, I strongly recommend to read the tutorial carefully. This plugin has more capabilities than other plugins of the same kind. So you might find new and interesting ways to handle your cleanups. Okay, that is fine. So we can simply explore. Of course there might be multiple options, and you can explore the options at your own and delete like this is delete the data older than the date threshold. Okay, that is good. And if we go in the advanced mode, okay, so we have post types, okay, portfolios or your unknown, and tables we can check here, PNG to JPG, and we can optimize these tables. Okay, this is good, and it is not going to impact our website. I mean negatively impact our website. Definitely it is going to enhance the performance. You can see the con jobs, custom queries, setting and logs. So age threshold is here, and so everything in expert mode. And if we go again to the WordPress core and the easy mode, what we can do, post revision. Let us check this. There are 58. Okay, so it is very simple. Okay, so this is a question. I will definitely reply every question. If you are having any question, you can simply follow the link given in the description. And if you want to implement any plugin that can enhance the feature of your WordPress website, you can simply join the I Create program. We are here for helping you in every manner. So you will find the link at WP Themes website. I'm adding the required link in the description of this video. So we are here for you. You can join the program and start creating your website with the help of WordPress mentors, WordPress experts, and they really help you and every installation. Okay, so and this is the option post metadata. We don't have any post meta like transistents, so we can delete the expired transistent. Simply click on this button. Okay, this is great and it is working very fine. So if we talk about tables, so what tables, this is one size is 235 KB, and if we click on optimize, it is good, and we can simply optimize these tables, database tables, whatever is required, and there are multiple tables, so we can simply optimize the database tables using this option. This is a great option, and we have 59 tables in this installation, so you can simply choose the tables that you want to optimize, and if your database tables are optimized, your website performance is going to be very good. Setting and logs, so you can make some settings, what you can do and what automatically, like deep deletions, you can item will be deleted by calling the internal WordPress function. So and so if we go to the advanced mode, I am also exploring the options along with you. So WordPress core we have already seen, post types, tables, and there are options like this is options table, database options table, so you can further these up options and you can simply check these options. Okay, so it is good, option data, and we can check these options, so we can enable and disable these things. So you have to use these options very carefully, like cron job is also here, and you can schedule the things. So what we can do, we can simply select the things for taking action, hide items. Okay, that is good. Custom queries you can here, and again setting and logs. So what I'll recommend, that is very important, just take a complete backup of your database if you are using this plugin at your own, or you can take help from us, of course. So just be careful while using this option. It is definitely a wonderful plugin, but yes, it can also break your site, so just be careful while using the database cleaner. And finally we can check this auto clean option, what it works. Stop. Okay, so it is good, and auto clean option is also very good. So of course you can use this plugin for optimizing your database and cleaning the stubs that you don't keep at your you should not keep at your installation. So that is very good. So let us meet in another video in which I am going to bring wonderful WordPress resources for you, and we have this wonderful website that we created in the last video, and we also overviewed important WordPress plugin. In the next video I am going to bring maybe a good WordPress theme plugin or a very important plugin that can enhance the WordPress functionality. Let us meet. Keep watching, keep building. Thank you.